Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. Today we're checking out 20 super useful tools, all under $30. Whether you're into DIY or just love affordable gear, you're sure to find something worth adding to your collection. CARTMAN 39-piece tool set. The CARTMAN 39-piece tool set, priced at $20, is perfect for everyday repairs and DIY projects. It includes essential tools like a hammer, pliers, screwdrivers, and a tape measure, all heat-treated and chrome-plated for durability. The sturdy plastic storage case keeps tools organized and portable, ideal for home use or as a practical gift for any occasion. Contour gauge. The Jurist Contour Gauge, priced at $13, is a practical tool for accurately copying shapes in tasks like flooring, tiling, woodworking, and other DIY projects. It pairs well with various tools and is especially useful for handling irregular profiles. Made from durable ABS plastic, it features a double-sided scale in both inches and centimeters and a thin 0.05-inch blade for precise measurements. Razor blade scraper tool. The Rex Betty razor blade scraper tool, priced at $5, is a durable and heavy-duty tool designed for a wide range of scraping tasks. It features a sturdy build with a 3-position blade system for easy use and quick blade changes. The set includes 2 scrapers along with 30 metal and 50 plastic blades, ideal for removing stickers, paint, grease, and adhesives from various surfaces. Egofine Ratchet Wrench Set. The Egofine Ratchet Wrench Set, priced at $16, is a versatile and durable toolkit made from premium chrome vanadium steel with a mirror chrome-plated finish for exceptional strength and wear resistance. The set includes 21-bit sockets, 13 metric sockets, and a 1/4-inch quick ratchet handle, along with multiple extension bars and accessories for use in a variety of tasks. 38 PC's Small Precision Screwdriver Set. The 38-piece Small Precision Screwdriver Set, priced at $9, is perfect for electronics and small device repairs. It includes 30 CRV steel bits, a magnetic non-slip handle, spudgers, tweezers, a suction cup, sim tool, and cleaning brush. Compact and versatile, it's ideal for phones, laptops, and DIY tasks. WORKPRO Utility Knife. The WORKPRO Utility Knife, priced at $9, features a durable aluminum alloy body and SK5 heat-treated blades for long-lasting performance. It offers a retractable blade with 3 cutting positions, and easy blade replacement via a quick release button. Lightweight and ergonomic, it's ideal for cutting cardboard, carpet, drywall, and more. Air Blow Gun. The Air Blow Gun, priced at $12, delivers powerful airflow with a supercharging design and tapered nozzle for high-volume blow-off. Built with all-metal construction and durable copper and zinc alloy components, it offers high-pressure resistance and long-term reliability. The adjustable nozzle and 2 extension tips allow precise control and access to tight or sensitive areas. Digital Caliper. The Digital Caliper, priced at $21, offers precise measurements with quick inch-to-millimeter conversion, a 0 to 150 millimeter range, 0.01 millimeter resolution, and plus or minus 0.02 millimeter accuracy. Made from durable stainless steel, it's resistant to water, stains, and oil. The large LCD screen ensures easy reading, while the thumb roller and locking screw allow smooth, accurate adjustments. 100-foot Blaze Laser Distance Measure. The 100-foot Blaze Laser Distance Measure, priced at $30, offers fast and accurate measuring up to 100 feet with 1/16-inch precision. Its simple 2-button design makes it easy to operate, one for measuring and one for rounding. The backlit display ensures clear readings even in dark spaces, and measurements can be shown in meters, feet, inches. RUITOOL Japanese Handsaw. The RUITOOL Japanese Handsaw, priced at $20, features a 6-inch SK5 high-carbon steel blade optimized for precise flush cuts. Its double-edged design offers 17 TPI for hardwood and 14 TPI for softwood, ideal for both rip and cross cuts. The hardened 3-edged teeth ensure sharpness, smooth cutting, and fast chip removal. Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. The Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit, priced at $8, is a flexible and universal vacuum attachment designed to fit nearly all vacuum models. Its slim design allows it to reach deep into dryer vents and tight spaces, effectively removing years of built-up lint. The included lint brush is also great for cleaning coils, radiators, and hard-to-reach areas. Self-adjusting wire stripper. The self-adjusting wire stripper, priced at $14, is a versatile tool for stripping, cutting, and crimping wires, ideal for home DIY or professional electrical work. Made from heat-treated, black oxidized alloy steel, it's durable and sharp enough for a variety of wire types, including copper and aluminum. It supports multiple wire gauges and features an ergonomic rubber handle for comfortable, hassle-free use. HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool. The HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool, priced at $20, is a compact, beginner-friendly tool perfect for fine DIY tasks like carving, sanding, grinding, and polishing. It includes 69 accessories and offers 5 speed settings for precise control. Lightweight and pen-like, it's easy to handle with a built-in LED light for better visibility. The rechargeable battery runs up to 200 minutes and charges via USB, making it convenient for resin crafts and other light-duty projects. Sealant Finishing Tool. The Sealant Finishing Tool, priced at $15, is a 3-in-1 caulking tool designed for removing old sealant, smoothing new caulk, and cleaning up residue with ease. It features a durable stainless steel blade, a silicone trowel, and interchangeable pads for a smooth finish. Multitool Wrench. The Multitool Wrench, priced at $27, is a compact and portable 7-in-1 tool, ideal for outdoor activities and everyday use. It includes pliers, wire cutter, flat and Phillips screwdrivers, a knife, adjustable wrench, and multi-head screwdriver, all in a lightweight, foldable stainless steel design. Ergonomically shaped for both right and left-handed users, it fits easily in your pocket and comes with a removable clip, making it a reliable companion for camping, hiking, DIY, and more. Crimp Tool Kit. The Crimp Tool Kit, priced at $27, is a complete solution for cutting, stripping, and crimping Cat 5 to Cat 7 cables and RJ11, 12, and 45 connectors. Designed for both shielded and unshielded pass-through plugs, it features a durable RJ45 crimper with a dovetail clip and a compact ergonomic grip for easy one-handed use. The upgraded network cable tester supports testing up to 300 megabytes. SEEKONE Heat Gun. The SEEKONE Heat Gun, priced at $28, delivers powerful 1800-watt performance, heating up to 1202 degrees Fahrenheit in just 1.5 seconds. It features variable temperature control and dual airflow modes, along with built-in overheat protection for safety. Ergonomically designed for comfort, it's perfect for tasks like shrinking tubing, removing paint, loosening bolts, and more. DEWALT Tool Box. The DEWALT Tool Box, priced at $30, offers a flexible, stackable design with durable side latches for secure connection to other units. It features a built-in bimaterial handle for comfortable portability, a removable tray for quick access to frequently used tools, and extra-large storage, space ideal for organizing and transporting high-volume tools. Built to withstand tough job site conditions, it's perfect for both professionals and DIYers seeking durability and convenience. EZ Change Faucet Tool. The EZ Change Faucet Tool, priced at $29 and made in the USA, is a versatile plumbing wrench designed for easy installation and removal of undersink faucets, shut-off valves, supply lines, and basket strainers. It includes a 6-sided cubed insert for common nut sizes and a cylindrical insert for single-hole mountings and strainer baskets. The multi-purpose handle fits various basin mounting nuts and clears supply lines with ease. 25-in-1 Mini Electric Screwdriver. The 25-in-1 Mini Electric Screwdriver, priced at $30, offers precise control with both electric and manual torque modes, perfect for repairing electronics like phones, laptops, watches, and more. Its sleek, durable aluminum alloy design comes in a compact, portable case with 25 high-quality S2 steel bits. That's it for our roundup of 20 tools under $30. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the Chop Busters for more great finds and tool tips. See you next time.